Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you two easy ways to make plackets. This placket here is mainly used for kids clothes and this is very easy to make, and this placket is called hidden placket. This is also very easy to make, so let's start step by step cutting and stitching. I'm going to make this placket 6 inches long. You can make it longer or shorter according to your type of dress, and I'm going to make a cut that is 6 inches long. And for making this placket, so here is the cut, 6 inches long cut in the middle of the neck. And for this I'm taking these two fabric strips which are 7 inches long and 3 inches wide, so both strips are same size, and I'm going to fold them and sew them. So let's start. And I've folded this strip into half on the right side, and I'm taking the right side of the fabric and 1/4 inch the seam margin, and I'm going to sew it. I'll sew it till the end of the cut. Now I'm going to sew the other strip just like the one I stitched already, and here I'm going to start my sewing. As you can see, the sewing is done. I can show you the back side of the fabric. That's how it looks. And I'm just going to put two diagonal cuts over here, and I'm going to flip both strips inside and make a seam over here, and just sew it till the end of the cut. Don't finish the seam because we need to make another seam on the other side. I'm going to make same top seam just like the one I did already. I didn't finish the seam, it's only till the end of the cut. And now I'm going to lock this placket. Here I have this fabric and I will fold it. You can fold it according to your folded the fabric like this, and I'm just going to lock my placket and make a stitch over it. So here my placket is ready. You can see it's very neat and very easy to make. And now I'm going to put buttons over here.